Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into Jefferies' latest ratings as PepsiCo finds itself a notch below Coca-Cola, Keurig Dr. Pepper, and Monster Beverage. We also preview D-Wave Quantum's Q4 2024 earnings and discuss Intel's announcement of Lip-Bu Tan as their new CEO. Wall Street sees mixed signals with tariff drama overshadowing soft inflation figures, while American Eagle Outfitters experiences a sluggish start to the year. NextEra Energy considers doubling its $20 billion investment in Texas over the coming years amidst slowing CPI inflation in February. Additionally, U.S. authorities may invoke emergency powers to reactivate retired coal plants, according to Bergam, and Adobe reports double-digit growth in digital media revenue for FQ1 through insightful charts. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth exploration of these headlines. Jefferies has downgraded PepsiCo's stock rating due to limited growth potential, even after recent gains. Analyst Kamal Gajrawala mentioned that while there's increased investor interest in consumer staples, the upside for the food and beverage giant appears restricted.
D-Wave Quantum will release its fourth quarter earnings on Thursday, March 13th, before the market opens. Analysts anticipate an earnings per share estimate of -6 cents, marking a 40% improvement compared to last year. Revenue is expected to be $2.23 million, which is down 23.1% from the previous year.
Intel has named Lip-Bu Tan as its new CEO. Tan previously served as a board member and chief executive officer of Cadence Design Systems. He left Intel's board in August and will now rejoin the company's board of directors.
Wall Street's main indexes had mixed results on Wednesday. They were initially boosted by a February consumer price index that was lower than expected. However, they later lost ground due to concerns over escalating trade tensions.
American Eagle Outfitters experienced an 11% increase in its stock during after-hours trading, but the gains were later reversed. The company reported better-than-expected fourth-quarter profits and strong comparable store sales. However, warnings about first-quarter and full-year sales reduced investor enthusiasm.
NextEra Energy is considering doubling its $20 billion investment in Texas over the coming years. The company is also looking into land development opportunities in the Permian Basin, according to Michelle Wheeler, Vice President of Regulatory and Political Affairs for NextEra Energy Resources.
The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that February's consumer price index rose by 0.2% month-over-month, which is below the expected 0.3% and down from January's 0.5%. Year-over-year, it increased by 2.8%, slightly under the anticipated 2.9%. The core consumer price index, excluding food and energy, was also released.
United States Interior Secretary Doug Burgum announced that the Trump administration might revive coal-powered plants. The government is considering using emergency powers to reopen closed coal-fired plants and stop further shutdowns, with the goal of increasing energy production.
Adobe reported a 10% growth in the first quarter, with non-GAAP earnings per share of $5.08, exceeding estimates by 11 cents. Revenue hit $5.71 billion, surpassing forecasts by $50 million. However, the company's future outlook fell short of market expectations. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Until then, I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.